Ang dami nagtatanong sa akin dito sa TikTok kung ano ba daw yung tools na dapat aralin or yung ginagamit as a DM setter. Aside from your devices like your laptop and cellphone or even tablet man yan, basta may Instagram app and your internet, I also use Google Sheet. This is where I track my leads pag walang tracker or walang CRM si client like a GHL, Asana, Trello, ClickUp. Google Sheet yung aking ginagamit. And I also use ChatGPT for reply ideas and grammar checker. And what's cool about it is I can actually create a custom GPT for each of my clients, especially nag-outsource nga ako. And I can always be there sa mga na-outsource ko. So I created this custom GPT where I integrate my clients' script. So they just need to drag and drop the conversation and the chat GPT will reply according to my client's tone, according to my client's script. So that's really efficient and sobrang pinadali talaga ng custom GPT yung aking trabaho as a DM setter. Those are my tech stack, and if you want to get a copy of my lead tracker, link is on my bio and you just need to make a copy para naman hindi mo ma-edit yung mismong document or yung mismong Google Sheet. Yun lang!